Cell theory is completed. Who has given the cell theory? Who has given the cell theory? I'm not asking that who discovered the cell firstly. मेरी तरफ भी देखिए आप लोग जब मैं पूछूं तो मैं आपको वो कर रहा हूँ पीछे से आप मैम आप बताओ and who has given the new cell theory, the modern cell theory? Virchow. Okay. And what was the point regarding the new cell theory? In the Latin word, he said that what? That means the daughter cells are arises from mother cell. Right? So this is the simple. कोई ऐसा बहुत बड़ा mechanism नहीं है. Very simple theory. Okay, regarding the cells. So now we are discussing about the cell organelles, right? Cell organelles, and I think if we have completed the cell wall. Okay, made up of
Cellulose.
and in case of fungus, chitin. In case of algae, glyco. Protein या peptide क्या था? Okay, listen. It's a glycoprotein. Okay. Whenever we are talking about the glyco, that means the glucose molecule. Okay, discussing about the glucose molecule, and here the protein, you know very well protein. That means in the case of the plant cell, okay, in the case of plant cell, the cell wall is made up of the cellulose, right? And normally cellulose से बना हुआ ही पाया जाता है. Why? Because you know that the plants are available on the earth in a very huge number. You can the maximum number of the plant cell is available in the universe, or you can on the earth, right? Okay, and chitin in case of right. Next one is the cell membrane. Okay, cell. Okay, class. Here is a question. If someone is asking you guys that who has discovered the cell wall, then what would be your answer? Robert Hooke. Okay. Why? Because when he firstly observed that the cell that was not a living cell, that was actually cell wall, and which type of cell wall? The dead cell wall. The dead cell. Okay. So firstly, the Robert Hooke has the credit to discover the cell wall. Fine. Okay. Now the cell membrane. Cell membrane found in the write down. Cell membrane found in the plant cell as well as animal cell. As well as animal cell. Okay. In animal cell, this is the in animal cell, this is the outermost covering of cell. Outermost covering of cell. Also consider the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Cell membrane is made up of phospholipid and proteins bilayer. Phospholipid and proteins bilayer. can draw the simple structure of cell membrane. So when you draw this, these are the protein layers. This is the phospholipid layer. Also protein layer. Okay. And the structures. Which you can observe on the proteinous layer. These are the actually receptors. Okay, these are the receptors. Okay, listen. Actually, these phospholipids are hydrophobic in nature. Hydrophobic. Why hydrophobic? This is due to the presence of lipid molecule. And we know that lipid is considered as a fat. Fat means any oily substances. Okay. So oil और पानी mix नहीं होता है. ठीक? So that's why this is the hydrophobic. These are the two words here related to this characteristics. The first one is the hydrophobic and second one is the hydrophilic. Okay. And the phobic to hate and philic for to love, loving. Okay, that means this is the hydrophilic. That means it is miscible with the what? Miscible with the water. Okay, and hydrophobic, that means not miscible with the water. So this phospholipid is hydrophobic in nature. Okay, but protein is hydrophilic. Protein is hydrophilic. These are the receptors. Okay, stop writing and just concentrate on the board. Actually, the receptor is responsible for what? Whenever we are taking or we are eating anything, okay, like carbs, like proteins, like any particular chemicals, including our medicines and drugs, okay, then you know very well, we are taking the medicine, it mixes with our blood after the absorption, okay. But why the drug or medicine is acting on that side where this is required? Headache हो रहा है, हमने खाया, पेट में गया. Why our headache is get relief? These receptors are responsible for those. Okay, these receptors are a specific type of the structure which is you can say suitable for bind with the specific type of drug molecules and the another chemical molecules. Receptors. Okay, so these receptors are responsible to bind with the particular substances, particular medicines molecule, okay, which is also considered the active chemical constituents of the medicine, okay, जो कि हमारी बॉडी के अंदर एक्शन सोर्स करते हैं, and bind with this, and this is responsible to across this plasma membrane and reach to the cells. Okay, okay, and we know that the body is made up of cell, and कुछ भी हमारी बॉडी के अंदर एबनॉर्मलिटीज होता है तो किसी पर्टिकुलर सेल के अंदर ही होता है, द पर्टिकुलर सेल्स. So these receptors are responsible to across this plasma membrane and reach to the cell and tissue. Okay. Next point. Functions of the plasma membrane. Functions. The first is to maintain the shape of cell. It maintains the shape of cells. Next one, protecting interior component of cell, by selective allowing the movement of certain substances. Selective allowing the movement of certain substances. Okay. It also allows the engulfing of food. Repeat that. Okay. It also allows the engulfing of food and other substances from surrounding environment. Other substances from surrounding environment. Okay. By the process of endocytosis. Actually, endocytosis is two types. That means the two processes are here through which the cell membrane is engulfing the food material and other substances. Okay, inside the cell. And here's the two process. The first one is the phagocytosis, and second one is the pinocytosis. Okay, in the case of phagocytosis, the cell is engulfing the solid material. Solid material intake. Okay, but in case of pinocytosis, the liquid material. Liquid materials intake. Okay, here's two endocytosis process. First one is the phagocytosis and second one is the pinocytosis. Actually, this too is also carried out by the lysosome as well. Okay, अभी lysosome में बात करेंगे. And what is the function of the lysosome? To digesting the harmful pathogens. Okay, by these two processes, the phagocytosis and the pinocytosis. So these are the functions of the cell membrane. Now, the next one is the protoplasm. Okay, give a dash and just write down that the cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm. Cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm. Okay. About this. This is the nucleoplasm and this one is the cytoplasm. Okay, both called the protoplasm. Fine. In the nucleus, the nucleoplasm, and apart from this nucleus part, जो भी कुछ है, these are considered the cytoplasm and commonly known as the protoplasm. Fine.
What is the meaning of protoplasm? Proto means what? Proto means old. Okay, जो previous कोई भी मटेरियल बनता है कंसिडर द प्रोटो प्रो इज द प्लाज्म to thing form. This is the protoplasm. Protoplasm is the term given by the Perkinse. Okay, and a scientist's name was the Huxley. Huxley said that protoplasm is the physical base of life. Protoplasm is the physical base of life. Okay, and this is next point में लिखना आप. And this protoplasm is consist the two parts. The first one is cytosol. And second one is cell organelles. Cytosol, this is the matrix part, that means liquid part of the cell is considered as the cytosol. Okay, and the organelles, or you can say the another structures which are found inside the cell is considered the cell organelles. Fine. Okay. सबसे पहले we will discuss about the cell organelles. Fine. The first one is the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. ER. Discovered by Claude and K.R. Porter. Albert Cloud and K.R. Porter. Basically, ER is structured as a network of tubules. Basically, ER, that means endoplasmic reticulum, is structured as a network of tubules. Tubules. Okay, that means जो हमने यहाँ पे बनाया था like this. Okay, so this is a network of tubules. इस तरह का स्ट्रक्चर पूरे सेल की बॉडी में क्या होता है, स्प्रेड आउट होता है, फैला होता है, राइट. नेटवर्क ऑफ ट्यूब्यूल्स or flattened sac. Sac means chamber. Okay, and flattened sac in cytosol. Okay, Here is the endoplasmic reticulum is two types of the endoplasmic reticulum. So the endoplasmic reticulum is two types. Okay, the first one is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and second one is the rat मत समझो reticulum है पूरा लिख देता हूँ यार. Okay, and second one is the rough ER. एक साइड में स्मूथ लिखना, एक साइड में ER, तो उससे आपको नीचे एरो करके ना. अच्छा, वन मोर थिंग, जैसे आप कोई नोट्स बनाते हो, ओके, तो ट्राई करो उसको फ्लो चार्ट में लिखने का. ये तो फ्लो चार्ट में एक सीक्वेंस बना रहेगा और आपके दिमाग में एक इमेज बनेगी उसका कि ठीक है इस ऐसे कर रहे हैं. पूरा पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखते हो ना तो पैराग्राफ मिक्सअप होता है, राइट, उसमें चीज़ें आती नहीं समझ में. हाँ, लेकिन ये फ्लो चार्ट जहाँ पे एग्ज़ाम में रिक्वायरमेंट होगा वहीं पे लिखना, हर जगह नहीं. अब ऐसे में फ्लो चार्ट में नहीं लिखा जाता, ऐसे राइटिंग आ जाएगी तो आपने फ्लो चार्ट नहीं लिखना. लेकिन आपके पास अगर इतना सारा कंटेंट है और वर्ड लिमिट है 150 और 200 वर्ड्स, तो एट दैट प्लेस यू कैन यूज़ दिस टेक्निक, द फ्लो चार्ट टेक्निक. ओके, उससे क्या होता है, आप किसी भी चीज़ों को डिलीवर भी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से करते हो. फाइन. ओके, एट द under the rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are possessed at the surface okay, and synthesis of proteins and secretion of hormones secretion of hormones. And the secretion of hormones carried out by this RER, okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, this is responsible for the synthesis of this one, smooth, responsible for the synthesis of lipid, steroids, some metabolites, for the carbohydrates, and drug detoxification and drug detoxification. Okay, drug detoxification means what? That means जब कोई भी medicines लेते हैं ना for a long time of period, उसका bad or you can say the adverse effect is producing inside the body. Okay, so for the detoxifying this body, this endoplasmic reticulum is also responsible at the cellular level. Whenever we are discussing about the body, so we know that the cell is the smallest unit of the body, okay, and here you can understand this, these cells are fused together and they are responsible for the formation of the tissues, okay, and so many tissues are responsible for the formation of organs, okay, and the organs are responsible for the creating a system, okay, and the several systems फाइन. हमारे बॉडी के अंदर भी सेम मतलब यही चीज होता है. there are several types of cells. there are mucus cells. ओके ओके. और बहुत सारे ऐसे चीफ सेल्स, अल्फा सेल्स, बीटा सेल्स, गामा सेल्स, पीपी सेल्स. we will discuss in each and every chapter about the cells. Okay, the some cells are there inside the body which are responsible to secrete the specific type of hormones. Some are responsible for the secretion of a specific type of enzymes. Okay, they are responsible for forming a specific type of glands, a specific type of organs. Okay, in our heart, specific type of cells are here, which are what? Which are involuntary in nature. Okay, fine. So many types of cells. The group of cells is called the tissues. Specific type of cells group is considered as tissue. Okay, जब बहुत सारी cells मिलेंगे and specific type of tissues forming the organs. बहुत सारे organ मिलके क्या बनाएंगे? System, and this system is forming the body. Okay, that means if any, अब ये वाइस वर्सा भी चलेगा. इससे बॉडी में कोई एक प्रोसेस हो रही है लाइक रेस्पिरेशन. ओके, इफ वी आर taking the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide, this process is considered the respiration. That means this respiration is also performed at this cellular level also. Okay, that means each and every cell is performing the respiration process. We are taking the oxygen, so this oxygen is also going to the cells for the exchange of the carbon dioxide and the cellular carbon dioxide and the oxygen gas. Okay, and final ultimately from all over the body the oxygen and carbon dioxide is in same process. In the digestion is, this is the same process in digestive system, no? In the cellular digestion is also occurs here, and this is the cellular digestion which is carried out by the mitochondria. We are taking the glucose molecules in the form of the food materials. Okay, and this carbohydrate is responsible for the energy production. But how? When we are taking this, it gets digested, absorbed and reached to the blood, and blood is responsible to carry those substances to the tissues and the cells, where the mitochondria is taking the glucose molecule and forming the ATPs, adenosine triphosphate, the energy. So all the process is also performed in our body at the cellular level as well. ठीक है ना? चलो अभी बात करते हैं इसके बारे में. Okay, what is the functions of ER? It transport the material between the various part of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum functions: transport the materials between various part of the cells. It also provide a shape to the cells, so considered as the skeletal system of the cell. Considered as the skeletal system of the cell. Okay, inner support provide करता है ये. Fine, this endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and next one is Golgi body. Golgi body is actually discovered by the scientist's name was the Camillo Golgi. the name Golgi body is given by the name of this discoverer scientist, whose name was the Camillo Golgi. Okay. स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं इधर. Okay. The Golgi bodies appears like this. So many plates are overlapping to each other, something you can consider. Okay. And these structures which overlap to another is considered as the cisternae. Okay. And cisternae is the structural unit of Golgi body. Golgi body. हमारे बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट क्या है? विच इज द स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट ऑफ आवर बॉडी? ऑब्वियस सी बात है, तो सोच क्यों रहे हो? अभी डेफिनेशन में लिखा है, सेल इज द स्मॉलेस्ट स्ट्रक्चरल एंड द फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ द बॉडी. ओके. एंड द जंक्शन बिटवीन टू सिस्टर्न इज कंसिडर्ड द ल्यूमेन. Okay. And these are the vesicles. Vesicles means any bags which stored something. Okay. Vesicles means there is a storage of some materials in the Golgi apparatus. Yeah. Okay. Functions लिख लो इसके. What is the functions of Golgi body? Write down the main functions of Golgi body is carry out the processing, is carried out the processing of protein generated in endoplasmic reticulum. Protein generated in endoplasmic reticulum. Listen carefully here. We know that the proteins are made up of what? What is this? This is the amino acid. Fine? Amino acids. Okay? Fine? The protein synthesis is carried out by mainly the organelles responsible for the protein synthesis is the ribosome. Okay, and that's why the ribosome also considered the protein factory of the cells. But the ribosomes are lies on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. So these NH2, or you can say the protein building material, Okay, firstly goes to the Golgi body here. So you can say entry from this side. Okay, एंड आफ्टर द एंट्री यहाँ पे इसको क्या किया जाएगा, चेकिंग किया जाएगा कि दिस इज ओके और हार्मफुल फॉर द सेल. अगर सेल के अंदर ये मटेरियल्स आ रहे हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फूड मटेरियल्स, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अनदर केमिकल्स, ओके, तो चेकआउट किया जाएगा. एंड फ्रॉम हियर दिस इज द एग्जिट पॉइंट ऑफ द गोल्जी अपैरेटस. फिर यहाँ से क्या करेगा, स्क्रीन आउट करके ओके टेस्टेड, चेक, and passes the protein building material. So it also assists the protein synthesis, assist in the protein. Okay, and for this reason the Golgi body is considered as the traffic police of the cell. Okay, for this reason. Why? Because this is checking the material. ठीक है. In Golgi bodies, next point लिखना इसमें, in Golgi bodies some complex sugar are formed from the simple sugar molecules. Okay, listen here. We know that whenever the blood sugar level is increases inside our body, then what happened? The glucose, or you can say the glucose molecule, is get converted into the glycogen. Okay, this is the simple sugar. And this one is the complex sugar. Clear? This is a complex sugar. And what is the use of the glycogen? Whenever the glucose is not taken from the outside in our body in the form of the food material, and inside the body there is a requirement, or you can say there is a rapid requirement of the glucose molecule, at that condition this glycogen is get break down and converted again into the glucose, and which glucose is used for the energy production. Okay, the same things the Golgi body is doing. It converted the simple sugar in the form of complex sugar. ये एक बहुत बड़े लेवल पे बात हुई इनसाइड द बॉडी हमारे, बट एट द सेलुलर लेवल दिस Golgi बॉडी इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस कॉम्प्लेक्स सुगर. अब वो सुगर को कॉम्प्लेक्स सुगर में चेंज करके इट विल स्टोर इन देयर वेसाइकल्स, वहीं पे इकट्ठा रखेगा. एंड वेन एवर द ग्लूकोज इज रिक्वायर्ड बट ग्लूकोज इज नॉट सप्लाइड फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड ऑफ द बॉडी, then at that time it releases that complex sugar molecule. Okay. It also helps in the formation of cell wall and the lysosome. Some cell organelles are also formed. It also helps in the formation of cell wall and lysosome. Next one is the lysosome. A lysosome is discovered by the C.D. Dove. C.D. Dove. A lysosome also called the what? Suicidal bag of the cell or atom bomb of the cell. Both terms are in use for the lysosome. Okay. And why? due to the presence of due to the presence of powerful hydrolytic enzymes. Hydrolytic enzymes. Enzymes which are able to digest every organic substances in the cell, able to digest it, every organic substances in the cell. What are the enzymes? क्या होता है enzymes? What do you understand by the enzymes? नहीं? Anyone? एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता हूँ जिनका बीएससी रहा है या जिनका पीसीबी बायो रहा है, कभी केमिस्ट्री वाले से ज़्यादा एक्सेप्ट कर सकता हूँ मैं, एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता हूँ, सॉरी. ओके. अभी आपके लिए इजी हो जाएगा. व्हाट आर द कैटलिस्ट? व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द कैटलिस्ट? पता है आपको भी कैटलिस्ट क्या होता है? Catalyst, listen class, catalysts are those chemicals, okay, those chemicals which are not participating directly in any chemical process, okay, they enhances the rate of reaction, but the form of the catalyst never changed. ठीक है? That means जैसे आप ये समझो हमारी और आपकी लड़ाई हो जाए और ये बगल वाले आपके हैं, या कि ये बोले मारो देखा जाए, दूर से खड़े हो गए, मुझे ही बोल रहे हैं एक बार आपको ही बोल रहे हैं, हम पीछे खड़े हैं. तो what are he is doing? Actually is doing that, he is increasing the what rate of the fighting. इसमें उनका कोई नुकसान नहीं है, उनको कोई छोटे दूर से खड़े हैं. Same, the catalyst is doing the same, and the enzymes are actually the biocatalyst. Biocatalyst, okay. हाँ, आपने सही बोला, आप बहुत डीप में बता दिया आपने, उतना डीप की जरूरत नहीं थी. दे आर एक्चुअली कैरिंग द मैसेजेस, ओके. वो मैसेजेस किस चीज़ के लिए? फॉर इन्हांसिंग द एनी रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शंस इन द बॉडी, ओके. दीज आर कंसिडर्ड द एंजाइम्स, ओके. So hydrolytic enzymes for carrying the what? Carrying the message कह लो, carrying the signal कह लो, for the hydrolysis process. Hydrolysis. And what is the hydrolysis? A breakdown of water molecule. Water molecule. Okay. That means this is the H2O. इसका breakdown हो जाएगा. Fine. After the breakdown, the hydrogen अलग, ऑक्सीजन अलग. That means water का क्या होगा? Existence क्या हो जाएगा? खत्म हो जाएगा. And किसी भी बॉडी से अगर when the water is completely break down in any body, from any body, then the body get destroyed. Okay. So the lysosomes have the powerful hydrolytic enzymes, and these hydrolytic enzymes are responsible to kill or to digest any type of the organic substances, including the pathogens, okay, unicellular microorganism, bacteria, viruses, fungus, whatever. functions of the lysosome. देख सकते हो आप इसका फंक्शन क्या है. इसको बनाना छोड़ो, अगर ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो आपको पीडीएफ सेंड कर दूंगा मैं, टाइम वेस्ट होगा. हाँ, फंक्शंस लिखो इसका. इंट्रासेलुलर एंड द एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर डाइजेशन. इंट्रासेलुलर and extracellular digestion is performed by the lysosome. Okay. What is the intracellular and what is the extracellular? Intracellular, that means inside the cell. Okay. इनसाइड द सेल का मतलब क्या है? सेल से बाहर जाके थोड़ी डाइजेस्ट करेगा चीज़ों को, इसका मतलब वो नहीं है. दैट मीन्स द मटेरियल विच इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द सेल, द डाइजेशन ऑफ दोज मटेरियल्स कंसिडर द intracellular digestion. Okay, intracellular digestion. And extracellular, the material which comes from the outside. Okay, that is considered the extracellular. And this lysosome is also performing the endocytosis and exocytosis process. Endocytosis, that means there is two process, phagocytosis and पिनोसाइटोसिस. अभी बात की तो थोड़ी देर पहले. Okay, and this one is the exocytosis. Exocytosis means it releases its enzyme. अपने अंदर से जो भी उसका हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम होगा उसको रिलीज करेगा, और दिस एंजाइम्स इज डायरेक्टली हिट टू द पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल, ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेज या ऑर्गेनिक बॉडी. ओके. Okay, next one is the mitochondria. A very most important cell organelles. Mitochondria. थोड़ा सा इसको छोटा करते हैं, नहीं तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Actually, mitochondria are bilayer structures. Okay, the outer surface and the inner surface. This one is the outer layer, and here this is the inner layer. Intermembrane space. Christy. Okay. Completed. It's a bimembranic layer structure. You can see this. The outermost layer is called the outer layer, or you can say outer membrane. Okay. And the inner is called the inner membrane. Okay. In between the both the membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane, a space is here, which is known as the intermembrane space. Okay. The inner layer of the mitochondria, okay, are making continuously a finger like structures. Okay, आप देख सक रहे हैं यहाँ पे, these are the finger like structures, and these structures is considered as the cristae, considered as the cristae. Okay, and at the surface of the inner membrane, or you can say at the surface of the cristae, there is so many बैडमिंटन रैकेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर और फाउंड. ये मैंने इतने में बनाए, कंप्लीट पूरे में होता है. ओके आप इसको जब भी कंसीडर करोगे कंप्लीट इनर सरफेस पे. एंड दीज रैकेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड द F1 particle or the oxysome. Oxysome. Okay, and all the material which is found inside the mitochondria is considered as the matrix. The ribosomes are also found inside the mitochondria, and here is the circular DNA, which is also called the mitochondrial DNA. Mitochondrial DNA. There was a question in UPSC in previous year. मुझे एकदम एग्जैक्ट ईयर रिमाइंड नहीं है. देयर आर क्वेश्चन दैट अपार्ट फ्रॉम न्यूक्लियस ऑफ द सेल, which cell organelles contain the DNA? Okay, so this mitochondria is a cell organelles, okay, जो कि DNA को क्या करता है, कंटेन करता है. फाइन. And in the biotechnology, when we will discuss about the mitochondrial therapy, actually this technique is maybe a very, आप कह सकते हो, great boom in the medical sector. फाइन. इसमें हम बात करेंगे 3 parent child के बारे में. 3 parent child. अब आप कहोगे कि 3 पेरेंट्स कैसे एक बच्चे को पैदा करने में. Yes, this is considered as the 3 parent child in the mitochondrial therapy. We will discuss in the biotechnology. इसका जस्ट बाद ही अपन स्टार्ट करेंगे बायोटेक्नोलॉजी. फाइन. तो दिस DNA is responsible for the mitochondrial therapy. ओके बहुत सारे लोगों को आपने देखा होगा कि फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड दे आर टेकिंग, मतलब उनका ठीक है डाइट वाइट सब अच्छा रहता है, बट उनकी बॉडी ग्रोथ उतनी अच्छी नहीं हो पाती है. ओके, so this mitochondrial disturbance is responsible for that. Okay, why? Because mitochondrial functions is the metabolism of the carbohydrate, protein and fats as well. Fine. That means metabolic process carried out by the mitochondria inside the cells. अगर मेटाबॉलिज्म आपका गड़बड़ रहेगा तो आपकी बॉडी का ग्रोथ अच्छे से नहीं होगा. व्हाट इज द मेटाबॉलिज्म? तुम तो इतनी देर से रहे हो मेटाबॉलिज्म. एक क्वेश्चन आना चाहिए आपके दिमाग में. अगर आपको नहीं पता, सर व्हाट इज द मेटाबॉलिज्म, यू आर रिपीटिंग अगेन एंड अगेन मेटाबॉलिज्म, मेटाबोलाइट्स. तो व्हाट इज द मेटाबॉलिज्म? एनीवन? यहाँ कोई, मुझे बायोलॉजी वाला कोई नहीं यहाँ पे? आप हो ना, आप तो बता सकते हो सर. सही है, सही है. आप बताओ, मैं आपसे एक्सपेक्टेशन रख सकता हूँ. क्या होता है मेटाबॉलिज्म? लिसन, ठीक है, आप दोनों सही हो. देयर इज अ 2 प्रोसेस catabolism and anabolism. So what is the meaning of these two terms? Listen, the formation of new material, okay, the formation of new material is considered as the anabolism, okay, and the breakdown of materials is considered as the catabolism. And when these processes is happening together, this is considered as the metabolism. This is considered as the metabolism. That means some materials are there is getting breakdown, or you can say breaking down, and some are newly formed, okay, simultaneously. So this process is called the metabolism. Okay, कैसे? यहाँ पे आप समझो, एक अच्छा से एग्जांपल दूंगा तो अच्छे से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि हाँ सर यहाँ पे एक चीज खराब हो रहा है तो दूसरा चीज क्या हो रहा है, फॉर्म हो रहा है, बन रहा है. फाइन, एग्जांपल इज हियर. हमारा ऑक्सीसोम ना मिट जाए, अभी उस पर डिस्कशन करना है हमें. हाँ, C6H12O6 प्लस क्या लेंगे हम, क्या लेते हैं एयर के माध्यम से, ऑक्सीजन. फाइन, this is the glucose molecule and this one is the oxygen. When the glucose molecule is getting breakdown, it is converted into the carbon dioxide plus 6H2O or plus ATPs, energy. Okay, so here the carbohydrate, or you can say the glucose molecule is getting breakdown. Glucose molecule का breakdown हो रहा है, right? Glucose molecule is losing their structure, अपना structure loss कर रहा है, and it is break down into the carbon dioxide and the water molecule. ठीक है, तो this is the process of catabolism. ये क्या हो रहा है, इसका catabolic हो रहा है, ये catabolic process है. This is the catabolic process. But here is the production of ATPs also in the form of the energy. ठीक है, there is the energy production in the form of ATP, and this is considered as the anabolic process. Okay, so this process is considered as the metabolic. कभी भूलोगे मत भूलना. Okay, so this is considered as the metabolic process, or you can say the metabolism. ठीक है, क्लियर है. अभी कंफ्यूजन नेक्स्ट टाइम नहीं होना है ना, कि व्हाट इज द मेटाबॉलिज्म. And the factors which are responsible to carry out the metabolism, या process of metabolism, is considered the metabolites. Okay, जो भी ऐसे materials जो कि मेटाबॉलिज्म प्रोसेस को क्या करेंगे, कैरी फॉरवर्ड करेंगे, उनको क्या बोला जाएगा, मेटाबोलाइट्स. फाइन, ओके. ये रिएक्शन लिखे रहो, अच्छी बात है, भले लिख लिया, यही चीज होता है हमारे इसके माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर. Fine, okay, so here okay, so this is the mitochondrial structure. This is the outer layer, the inner layer. Okay, then intermembrane space forming the inner layer is forming the finger-like structure considered the cristae, and at the surface of the cristae there was so many badminton racket-like structure considered as the oxysomes. Okay, so these oxysomes and these cristae, these are very most important parts of the mitochondria. And why this is the most important part? Inside the mitochondria, the complete oxidation of the glucose molecule is happening. Okay, complete oxidation of the glucose molecule is happening, and through which the energy is produced in the form of the ATP, which is the adenosine triphosphate. Okay, and this is used in the cellular energy requirement. Fine, and that's why the mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell because it provides the power to the cell. Okay, here the Christie is considered as the structural unit of the mitochondria. This is the structural unit of the mitochondria. Why? Because it provides the space, it provides the platform to perform the oxidation of the glucose molecule. Okay, but these F1 particle or oxisome are responsible for the oxidation of glucose. That means the complete oxidation of the glucose is happening inside this F1 particle or the oxisome. So oxisome is considered as the functional unit of the mitochondria. Okay, functional unit of the mitochondria. लिखो इसमें 2-3 लाइन, राइट डाउन. अभी कुछ लिखा नहीं ना माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में. ओके, सर डिस्कवर्ड बाय mitochondria is discovered by Kolliker. ओके, बहुत सारे इसमें नाम जुड़े माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया से. द सी बेंडा, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिख लेना. सी बेंडा नेम है. द सी बेंडा given named bioplast. The C bender given named bioplast. Okay, next point लिखना. Fleming bioplast. Bioplast. Okay, and the Fleming भी एक साइंटिस्ट थे. Fleming given the name Phyla, Phyla, Phyla. But the name mitochondria is firstly coined by Richard Altman. Okay, in some sources this Richard Altman name is also given as a discoverer of the mitochondria. बहुत सारे sources में मिलेगा. But in case of whenever you got both the options, the Kolliker and the Altman, then you should go with the Kolliker. Okay, but अगर Kolliker नहीं रहता है तो this Altman is the correct answer. In some sources, the Richard Altman is also considered the discoverer of the mitochondria. Actually, the term mitochondria is firstly introduced by this. Okay. It has the ability to convert energy in the form of ATP. फुल फॉर्म भी लिख लेना इसका. एडेनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट. in the form of ATP. This is the adenosine triphosphate. Okay, which is used by the cell. Mitochondria is the major site of cellular respiration. Mitochondria is the major site of cellular respiration. Okay, it also involves in the it also involves mitochondria also involves in the process like cell division, process like cell division and growth and growth and cell death and cell death. ब्रैकेट में सेल डेथ को लिखना, ब्रैकेट में एपोप्टोसिस. Apoptosis. Okay, the cell death process considered the apoptosis. When the cell is dead by itself, okay, this process is called the considered the apoptosis. अब ऐसा नहीं कि कोई चाकू मार दे तब मर जाए तो apoptosis कहलाएगा, नहीं. The cell is destroying its by itself. Okay, so this condition is considered as the apoptosis. हाँ, क्या हुआ? कुछ टूट गया क्या? Functions of mitochondria. By the functions पे लिख लेना, by the process of Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle और citric acid cycle and ये दोनों एक ही नाम है, क्रेब्स साइकिल और सिट्रिक एसिड साइकिल, बोथ आर द सेम प्रोसेस. ओके, एंड ETS, this is the electron transfer system. Okay, this is the ETS, the electron transfer system. Okay, it provides energy for requiring processes of the cell मैंने बोला था by the process of the citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle and the ATS system. Okay, it provides energy for the requiring processes of the cell. Okay, listen, this one is the Christie. Okay, the Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle, the scientist name was the Krebs and उन्होंने डिस्कवर किया था इस साइकिल को, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज आल्सो कंसीडर्ड द क्रेब्स साइकिल. बट द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट विच इज फॉर्म्ड आफ्टर द ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ द ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल, this is considered as the citric acid. Okay, and the citric acid is formed after the breakdown of the glucose molecule. Okay, so that's why it's also considered as the citric acid cycle. ठीक, उतनी लंबी प्रोसेस में आपको नहीं जाना है, इट्स अ ह्यूज प्रोसेस. आपको यहाँ से मैं लिखना स्टार्ट करूँगा तो यहाँ पे वो खत्म होगी रिएक्शन, वो आपके मतलब का नहीं है. ओके, so this citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle is performed at the Christie. Okay, but the ETS, this is the electron transfer system. We know that बॉडी में कोई भी या कहीं भी एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन होता है तो विदाउट इलेक्ट्रॉन एनर्जी कहीं नहीं होता है. ओके, so the electron transfer system is performed at this F1 particles. Okay, this F1 particles. So, and this is the reason the Christie is considered as the structural unit of the mitochondria, and the F1 particle or oxysomes are considered as the functional unit of the mitochondria. Okay, and after the ATS process, the ATP is produced. Okay, how many ATPs are produced after the oxidation of the glucose inside the mitochondria? Here is a 36 ATP. इसको लिख लेना. 36 ATP is produced after a Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle. Citric acid cycle. नोट करके एक पॉइंट लिखेंगे आप. इसको मैं इरेज कर रहा हूँ. जो भी ना है पूछना मुझे. नोट करके एक पॉइंट लिखेंगे. पॉइंट इज दैट the total number of ATP molecules produced in cellular respiration or after complete oxidation of glucose molecule is 38. ओके. ये नीचे लिख सकते हो. By glycolysis, that 2 ATP is generated in the cytoplasm. And what is the glycolysis? Glycolysis, this is the glucose. The breakdown of glucose is considered the glycolysis. Whenever the food materials enters into the cell, okay, so firstly reached into the cytoplasm. आपको ही पता ही बात. Fine. And when the cytoplasm is reached, some cell organelles also generated the metabolites of the carbohydrates. जैसे अभी हमने पीछे पढ़ा था, like the Golgi apparatus. Okay. These metabolites are starting the initial digestion of the glucose molecule. And after the breakdown of the glucose molecule in the glycolysis process, there is the production of the 2 ATP, okay, adenosine triphosphate, 2 molecules of the adenosine triphosphate, and the remaining materials, or you can say the remaining glucose, is reached into the mitochondria, and after the Krebs cycle process, or you can say after the citric acid cycle process, okay, the 36 ATP is generated. So for the complete oxidation inside the cell of the glucose molecule is generated the 36 plus 2 is a total 38 ATP molecule. Fine. क्वेश्चन पूछा हुआ है ये, ठीक, कि सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन के बाद हाउ मेनी नंबर्स ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द ATP इज प्रोड्यूस्ड और जनरेटेड. तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज 38 ATP. अगर क्रैप्स साइकिल के लिए पूछे तो 36 ATP. फाइन. कंफ्यूजन कोई? Okay. Next one is the plastids. प्लास्टिक्स नहीं, प्लास्टिड्स है ना. The term is coined by the Ernest Haeckel. The term plastid is introduced by Ernest Haeckel The plastids are major cell organelles in plant cell. Okay, not found in animal cell. Okay, बैक्टीरिया समझते हो? बैक्टीरिया क्या होते हैं? व्हाट आर द बैक्टीरियाज? सारे पैथोजेनिक नहीं होते. Not all the bacteria are harmful. Some bacteria are beneficial for our body, like lactobacillus. What is the function of the lactobacillus? Lactobacillus ऐसा बैक्टीरिया होता है जो कि it converted the milk into the curd. ओके, दूध को दही में चेंज कर देता है. खूब पूछा जाता है ये सब, ऐसे क्वेश्चन ऐसे पूछते जाते हैं खूब ढेर सारे, स्पेशली इफ यू आर अपियरिंग इन एनी स्टेट पीसीएस एग्जामिनेशन, तो उसमें ऐसे मैचिंग दे देगा, इधर फंक्शन दे दे, मैचिंग, मैच करो, करेक्ट मैच. ओके, परेशान ना होइए. व्हेन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द बैक्टीरियाज, वायरसेस, फंगस, तो आपको इतने सारे करवा दूंगा कि आपको वहाँ पे ख़राब नहीं होगा कुछ. फाइन. ओके, some bacterias are performing the photosynthesis actually. Photosynthesis, that means they are the autotrophs. एक और आ गया टर्म्स, ऑटोट्रॉप. मेक, है ना, खुद से बना लेते हैं जो भी खाना पीना होगा, लाइक आवर प्लांट्स. ओके, तो ये कब टच हो गया? like plant cell. Fine. So the bacterias, sometimes the bacterias are considered as the plant cell. Okay, here is a protozoan, its name is the Euglena. सुना है? पैरामीशियम, अमीबा, यूग्लिना. और 10+2 में खूब प्रोजेक्ट बनाने को मिलता था, इतना बड़ा बड़ा चार्ट लेकर आते थे. हमारे टाइम में तो 2 रुपए का मिलता था, अब आपके टाइम पता नहीं कितने मिलता, तो उसमें बना के ले जाते थे. तो यूग्लिना ऐसा कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्स होता था ऐसा, फिर यहाँ से ऐसे इसमें कुछ ऐसा निकला रहता था, समथिंग कुछ ऐसा, यूग्लिना. तो यूग्लिना इज एक्चुअली द plastid is found in the euglena. That means it is able to perform the photosynthesis process. Okay, chloroplast is found inside this cell. But in the case of when the light is not present, so it can also depend on another cell or another animal, आप कह सकते हो. So this is the euglena को consider किया जाता है. The euglenas is the link between the plant cell and the animal cell. Okay, इसके अंदर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया भी होता था, इसके अंदर प्लास्टिड भी होता है. Okay, so this is the link between the plant cell and animal cell. Okay, but mostly the plastids are not found in the animal cell. एक ही एग्जांपल है जो आपको मिला है, this is the euglena. Okay, चलो. How many types of the plastids are here? Actually, the plastids are three types. The first one is the leucoplast. Okay. The second one is the chromoplast. Okay. And third one is the chloroplast. Fine. What is the leucoplast? What is the meaning of leuco? Leuco means white. Okay, leuco means white. That means the leucoplasts are the colorless. Fine. The chromoplast, chrome, that means color. Okay, this is the colorful. It's showing the different types of the colors, red colors, येलो कलर्स, ओके, ब्लू कलर्स, ईच एंड एवरी, बहुत सारे कलर. द क्लोरोप्लास्ट ऑलवेज representing the green color. Why the green color? Because due to the presence of the, yes, chlorophyll. Okay, where the leucoplast is found? Leucoplast also found in the plant cell. Okay, but which part of the plants which are not comes directly into the contact of the light, like our root of the plant. Okay, so the leucoplast is found in the root of the plant. Okay, chromoplast, where the chromoplast is found at the flower, fruits. Okay, these are the in the flowers, fruits, leaves, etc. Okay. Then the chloroplast. The chloroplast is containing the chlorophyll, okay, and participated into the process of photosynthesis. And participated into the process of photosynthesis. ठीक है? Okay. अभी कुछ ऐसे एग्जांपल्स लिखेंगे. Why the beetroot is red in color? Okay. Which pigment is responsible for the red color in beetroot? Which pigment is responsible for the yellow color of curcumin? Okay. टर्मरिक को कुरकुमिन बोलते हैं. कुरकुमिन लौंगा इसका बोटानिकल नेम है. टर्मरिक, कुरकुमा लौंगा. Okay. So why the yellow color of the some flowers? ठीक, बात करेंगे. Why the potato is converting into the green color when contact into the sunlight? अगर पेड़ लगा है उसमें आपने देखा है पोटैटो की खेती, फार्मिंग ऑफ पोटैटो देखा है, उसके खेत जहाँ होता है कैसे होता है, वो मिट्टी के अंदर होता है वो. विच पार्ट ऑफ द पोटैटो प्लांट इज एडिबल? धोखा. विच पार्ट ऑफ द पोटैटो आर एडिबल? स्टेम. दिस इज नॉट रूट. ओके, स्टेम. और वो ज़मीन के अंदर रहता है तब तक कैसा रहता है? कलरलेस. ओके, बट अगर थोड़ी सी मिट्टी हट गई एंड it comes into the direct contact of the light, then the one chromoplast is generated after the reaction of the sunlight. The name is the solanine. Solanine is generated and the potato is converted into the green in color. Okay, तो उसमें हम लिखेंगे, लेकिन उसके पहले we will discuss about the chloroplast. डायग्राम थोड़ा सा इसका बना लिया जाए प्यारा सा. इसके लिए ग्रीन कलर क्यों लिया हूँ आपको पता है. This chloroplast is also a bimembranic layer. The two membranes are also found in the chloroplast. This is the outer membrane and this one is the inner membrane. Okay, it very much possible that कि tomorrow we will start the genetics. ठीक है, बहुत पॉसिबिलिटी है, बाकी देखा जाएगा जितना आप लोग साथ दोगे. Completed. This is the general structure of the chloroplast. Okay. So here the bimembranic layer, fine. The outermost layer is considered the outer membrane, inner is the inner membrane. हमेशा जो सब में हो रहा है, fine. Inside the chloroplast, the material which is filled inside this collectively it is known as the stroma. Okay. Mitochondria में क्या था? Matrix. Okay. And in case of the chloroplast, this is the stroma. Inside the stroma, there is the several coin-like structures are available. Okay. And these coin-like structures are adhered to each and every one and overlapping to each another. Each and every one एक दूसरे के ऊपर एकदम fixed. Right. These coin-like structures is considered as the thylakoids. Structure is the thylakoids, but the group of thylakoids is considered as the granum. Okay. And at the surface of the thylakoid, the quantasomes are present. Okay, quantasomes are present. Actually, in resembling with the mitochondria, okay, the structures of the chloroplast are बहुत करीबी मामला कह सकते हो. Fine. So, in the mitochondria, there was the kidneys, Christies, kidney के आधार. There was a Christies. And what are the functions of the Christie? Christies are the considered the structural unit of the mitochondria. But in case of the chloroplast, these thylakoids are considered as the structural unit of the chloroplast. But these quantasomes are considered as the functional unit of the chloroplast, because the photosynthesis process, the process of photosynthesis is carried out by the quantasomes. Okay. Here the prokaryotic DNA is also found. Fine. And the junction between the two granum is considered as the middle lamella. Okay, middle lamella, this is nothing, this is the junction, the linking हो रहा है जो, this part is considered as the middle lamella. Okay, so photosynthesis process is, and in the quantosome the chlorophyll is present. Chlorophyll is present in the quantosomes. Okay, and that's the reason the quantosome is responsible for the process of photosynthesis, and so they are considered as the functional unit of the chloroplast. ठीक है, functional unit of the chloroplast. The thylakoids are providing the platform for the photosynthesis process, so the thylakoids are considered as the structural unit of the chloroplast. ठीक है, इसमें कुछ दिक्कत? What is prokaryotic फिर? What is prokaryotic? दिक्कत नहीं है ना? तो हमें बता दो, what is prokaryotic? Anyone? What do you understand by the prokaryote? नहीं? आओ देखो, कैसे बताओगे? पढ़ी नहीं हो? हाँ, फिर से बोलो. Without nucleus? Yes, very much correct. हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. These are the examples of the prokaryotic cell. Okay, listen. समझने के लिए केवल यही वर्ड्स पकड़ लो. प्रो मीन्स अभी हमने बात किया था थोड़ी देर पहले, प्रोटिस्ट, प्रोटो. ओके, दैट मीन्स ओल्ड या प्रीवियसली फॉर्म्ड. ओके, ओल्ड ही कर लो यार भाई, चलो. ओके, देन द कैरियो. द कैरियो मीन्स द न्यूक्लियस. कैरियो मीन्स nucleus, carrion. In the Greek word, the word carrio arises, and which meaning is the nucleus. Okay, that means the nucleus which formed in the protista world, a previous word or old word, are considered as the prokaryon, and the cells having the prokaryons are considered as the prokaryotic cell. ओके, प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल. अभी उस पर हम डिस्कशन में बात करेंगे कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्रोकैरियोटिक एंड द यूकैरियोटिक सेल. यू मीन्स मॉडर्न, प्रो मीन्स ओल्ड. ओके, अभी ये सब कंप्लीट होने के बाद हम करेंगे प्रोकैरियोटिक. देन द प्रोकैरियोटिक डीएनए, दैट मीन्स द डीएनए फाउंड इन द ओल्डेस्ट सेल. ओके, इज कंसिडर्ड एज द प्रोकैरियोटिक डीएनए. ठीक है, प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल DNA is considered as a prokaryotic DNA. Fine. Okay. So, chloroplast is found in the, लिख लो इसमें एक दो लाइन. Chloroplast found in the green part of plant. Green part of plant. कहाँ कहाँ पे? कहाँ कहाँ पे? ठीक. The process of photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis is carried out by the क्लोरोप्लास्ट. क्लोरोप्लास्ट नीचे पॉइंट करके लिखना. क्वांटासोम्स. Quantosomes are are functional unit of chloroplast and the and thylakoid are the structural unit. Okay, 6, 12, 6, 12 oxygen, 6, 6, 12, 12 energy. Okay. Structural unit. This is the process of photosynthesis. ये रिएक्शन आप लिख सकते हो. Okay. Carbon dioxide is the water molecules, the presence of sunlight and the chlorophyll. Process of photosynthesis occurs and formed the glucose molecule and the oxygen molecule. Okay, that means the plant are taking the carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen by the photosynthesis process. Okay, इसीलिए हमारे लिए प्लांट क्या है, ज़रूरी है. ठीक. ओके, राइट डाउन द नोट्स. कुछ नोट पॉइंट्स लिखेंगे. हो गया, कंप्लीट हो गया सबका. हाँ, लिख लो. इसमें ये भी लिख लेना, क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज कॉल्ड द किचन ऑफ प्लांट सेल. ओके, क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज कॉल्ड द किचन ऑफ प्लांट सेल. इसके बाद भी आपकी कोई क्लास होती है जैसे पॉलिटिकल. किचन ऑफ द प्लांट सेल हो गया कंप्लीट. ओके, पॉइंट डाल के लिखना. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, रेड कलर ऑफ टोमेटो. ऐसे स्टार ही बना लेना. रेड कलर ऑफ टोमेटो ड्यू टू द lycopene. Okay, yellow color of turmeric. The curcumin. Red color, rose and onion. It's a anthocyanin. Green color in potato. This is the solanine. ठीक है. रेड कलर इन चिली. चिली की स्पेलिंग ठीक है यार. कैप्सिसिन. ओके, रेड कलर ऑफ बीट रूट. बीटा nin. Beta nin. Red color of carrot. The carotene. Carotene. Okay. Why the mostly vegetable oils all the are the yellow in color? क्यों? Here is a chemical which is named as the carotenoids. Okay, carotenoids when reacts with the fat, it produces the yellow color. Okay, produces the yellow color. This carotenoids. मैंने कुछ कल बोला था आप लोगों को. You guys, वो देखा आपने पेपर देखा लास्ट ईयर का? नहीं. कब देखोगे? कौन सा ऐसा मुहूर्त है जो आपने पंडित जी से निकलवा के रखे हो? अभी आने वाले फर्स्ट जैन को नया रिजोल्यूशन लोगे क्या? उसी दिन आज से ही देखना है पेपर. सिलेबस है सबके पास? दिखा दो थोड़ा सा ऐसे हमको उठा करके. वहाँ तो है ही, घर पे तो रहता ही है. अच्छा है, ठीक है. सीरियस हो गई मैम दिखाऊँ सर निकाल के? ठीक है, आप सिलेबस देखो. कुछ नहीं यार, सिलेबस में पीटी के सिलेबस में दिया ही क्या है? टॉपिक है केवल जनरल साइंस. और कुछ है क्या पीटी में? मेंस में तो थोड़ा सा एक दो लाइन डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है. पीटी जनरल साइंस. जनरल साइंस में आपसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जो अभी विपिन रावत साहब का जो हुआ कंडोलेंस हुआ है ना, ठीक है, क्रैश किया हेलीकॉप्टर. कौन सा हेलीकॉप्टर था? है MI-17. कहाँ का ओरिजिन है? कहाँ का ओरिजिन है टेक्नोलॉजी उसकी, है ना? तो इतना सब कुछ जनरल साइंस में आपसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. फाइन. इन मेंस एग्जामिनेशन एज वेल एज इन पीटी. ठीक. पीटी में तो खूब भर भर के डिफेंस पूछा जाता है और कुछ नहीं पूछते, यही पूछते हैं कि सपोज दैट जैगुआर. जैगुआर क्या है? नहीं, एनिमल की बात नहीं कर रहा. अभी डिफेंस में जैगुआर क्या है? एयरक्राफ्ट है, हेलीकॉप्टर है, LCA है, क्या है? हवाई. ऐसा एक्चुअली एयरक्राफ्ट, लाइट कॉम्बैट एयरक्राफ्ट जैगुआर. जैगुआर पूछेंगे. जैगुआर इज प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ इंडिया, जॉइंट प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ इंडिया विद विच कंट्री? करेंगे बात. परेशान ना होइए. ऐसे क्वेश्चन क्यों आते हैं? पीटी के क्वेश्चंस हैं. पीटी में क्वेश्चंस ऐसे ही राइज किए जाएंगे आपसे. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको देना है केवल 4 ऑप्शन और आपसे कराना है गोले को काला. नथिंग एल्स. सर्कल रहेगा, यू हैव टू ब्लैक दिस. नथिंग एल्स. और कुछ इसमें थोड़ी है. कुछ नहीं जानते कि आपको कितना आता है कितना नहीं आता. अगर संयोग से जो घेरा है वो सही काला हो गया, सही घेरा काला हो गया, यस यू आर इन. एंड इन द मेंस एग्जामिनेशन योर नॉलेज विल बी चेक्ड आउट कि कितना जानते हो. बताओ अब यहाँ पर एक्सप्रेस योर इमोशंस. बह जाओ भावनाओं में. ओके. एंड द सम पेपर्स, मतलब स्पेशली द फोर्थ पेपर ऑफ द UPSC, फोर्थ पेपर ऑफ द GS. एक्चुअली दिस वन इज द फिफ्थ पेपर ऑफ मेंस एग्जामिनेशन एंड द फोर्थ पेपर ऑफ द GS. ओके. तो उसमें अगर ऐसा कुछ देता है, गिवन द केस स्टडी एंड आस्किंग टू यू गाइज दैट गिव योर ओपिनियन इन दिस सिचुएशन. योर ओपिनियन में दैट मीन्स ये नहीं कि जो आपके मन में आ रहा वो ओपिनियन, नो। जो बहुत सारे थिंकर्स, बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े फिलोसफर्स जो बोल के गए हैं, आपको वो लिखना है, फाइंड आउट करना है। अब गिव योर ओपिनियन, आजकल हर क्वेश्चन में यूपीएससी लगा देता है गिव योर ओपिनियन, या ज्योग्राफी को होगा तब भी लगा देगा गिव योर ओपिनियन। और उल जलूल ओपिनियन नहीं देना जो दिमाग में चलते हैं कि अच्छा वहाँ से ऐसे बिजली गड़की तो इसलिए इंद्र भगवान नाराज हो गए थे। फाइन, यू हैव टू राइट द परफेक्ट थिंग। ठीक, तो वहाँ पे नॉलेज आपकी चेक की जाएगी। एंड द इंटरव्यू सेशन वो आपको देखेंगे केवल कि अच्छा ये जो क्रॉस करके आया है यही है, बैठो थोड़ा यार। इंटरव्यू में नॉलेज नहीं चेक की जाती कभी भी, ध्यान रखना। तो कभी हेडेक लेके नहीं जाना है कि क्या पूछना। ठीक, इंटरव्यू का हिंदी क्या होता है? साक्षात्कार, है ना, हैवी वर्ड है। ओके, नोट में इतना लिखा गया। हाँ, नोट में नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिखना, मीजोसोम्स। मीजोसोम्स, ओके। मीजोसोम्स, मीजोसोम्स replaces the mitochondria in bacterial, okay। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिखना, viruses do not follow cell theory। viruses do not follow cell theory। and why viruses do not follow, you know? अच्छा, viruses is living or non living? लिविंग। कौन कौन है मेरे साथ? लिविंग लिविंग लिविंग, रेज योर हैंड। लिविंग। और कोई है मेरे साथ? मैम नहीं, आप नॉन लिविंग से हो, आई मीन उसके पक्ष में हो। यस, ये मैं गलत, सब गलत, ओके। एक्चुअली viruses, this is the reason why the viruses, that's why the viruses do not follow the cell theory, because cell theory is always, आप कह सकते हो कि जब भी कोई लिविंग सेल होगा उसी पर ये सेल थ्योरी क्या होगी, परफेक्ट बैठेगी, ओके। बट द वायरसेस इज एक्चुअली द लिंक बिटवीन द लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग सेल्स। व्हाई? बिकॉज वेन एवर इट, यू कैन से द वायरस गेट द होस्ट, ओके, कोई भी होस्ट बॉडी पा जाता है तो इट एक्ट्स एज अ लिविंग सेल। बट अगर होस्ट बॉडीज नहीं मिलती, इट ऑलवेज रिमेनिंग एज अ नॉन लिविंग मटेरियल। ठीक है, अगर उसको मिट्टी में वैसे पड़ा तो नॉन लिविंग की तरह बिहेव करेगा। वेन एवर इट गेट्स द व्हाट, इट गेट्स द एनी होस्ट बॉडी, तो इट स्टार्टेड तांडव, है ना। तो इसलिए ये वायरसेस जो होते हैं हमारे, कभी भी सेल थ्योरीज को क्या करते हैं, फॉलो नहीं करते हैं। फाइन, ओके। नेक्स्ट वन इज द राइबोसोम। टाइम क्या हो रहा है? टाइम, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाने दो। नेक्स्ट वन इज द राइबोसोम। राइबोसोम, दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट सेल ऑर्गेनल्स। लिख लो, राइबोसोम्स आर स्मॉलेस्ट सेल ऑर्गेनल। विच सेल ऑर्गेनल्स आर द लार्जेस्ट सेल ऑर्गेनल्स? लार्जेस्ट सेल ऑर्गेनल कौन सा है? प्लास्टिड, क्लोरोप्लास्ट। ठीक है, मैं लिख लेना, plastids are the largest cell organelles. Ribosomes are the smallest cell organelles. Okay, these are minute particles these are minute particles consisting of RNA and associated proteins. Consisting of RNA and associated proteins. Associated proteins found in large numbers in cytoplasm. Found in large numbers in cytoplasm. Okay. When we will discuss about the RNA, then we will find the types of the RNA. Okay. And the types of RNA, we observe that there is a 3 types of the RNA: mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA. Okay. So rRNA is stand for the ribosomal RNA. Okay. And RNA is for what? When the RNA is converted into the DNA, DNA is converted into again RNA. RNA is responsible for the protein synthesis. These are the processes actually. These are the transcription, river transcription, and translation. We will discuss. Don't worry. Okay. So RNA is responsible for the protein synthesis, and the ribosome is consisting the RNA. Okay, it consisting the RNA, and that's why the ribosome is responsible for the synthesis of protein. Okay, inside the cell. This is first observed by the ribosomes are first observed by the George Palade. George Palade in animal cell. In animal cell. In animal cell. Okay. And in plant cell. Plant cell. Robinson. Robinson is discovered the ribosome. Okay. लेकिन फर्स्टली ऑब्जर्व किया गया जॉर्ज पैलाडे बाय द जॉर्ज पैलाडे. So the discoverer of the ribosome is George Palade. Fine. Small cell organelles. Type of ribosomes. There is the 2 types of the ribosome. The first one is the 70S and second one is the 30S. 70S ऐसे लिखना साइड में, 70S एंड 80S उसके नीचे हमें लिखना है कुछ. फाइन. 70S एंड 80S. एक्चुअली S इज डिनोटिंग द Sedberg unit. Sedberg unit. That means this unit is denoting the size of the ribosomes. Okay. कोई साइंटिस्ट रहे होंगे सेडबर्ग, उन्होंने बहुत स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट दिया तो उनके नाम पे रख दिया गया दिस इज द सेडबर्ग यूनिट. ओके. This 70S ribosome is actually made up of the 2 subunits. Fine. The 2 subunits, 2 small subunits are fused with each other. 70S के नीचे अपन लिखेंगे. The first is the 50S and the second is the 30S. Then it get fused. Okay. It converted into the 70S and there is the loss of 10 Sedberg unit. Okay, there is the loss of 10 Sedberg unit, and here is the 70S ribosome. Why मैं यूनिट क्यों बता रहा हूँ? ये यूनिट एग्जाम में पूछे जा चुके हैं और आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए ये पूछेगा कि which are the units for the formation of 70S ribosomes. Option A, it's a 40 plus 30. Okay, it's a 50 plus 20. It's a 50 plus 30. It's a 35 plus 35. अब सबको जोड़ोगे तो आप 70 आ रहा है, एक को जोड़ दो 80 आ रहा है, आपको लगेगा नहीं ये गलत है, सब 70 आ रहा है, वो वाला मार दो. ओके, बट नहीं. 70S is formed by the 2 subunits. The first is the 50S and second is the 30S. When the both get fused, it's a loss of 10 S units and the remaining 70S unit, and this is a ribosome, complete ribosome. Okay. Actually, the 70th ribosome unit is also considered as the prokaryotic ribosomes. Okay, prokaryotic ribosomes. That means in the protista world, when the first cell is formed, protista cell is formed, then that cell is contained the 70s ribosome. Okay. Second types is the 80s. 80s having the two subunit. The first is the 60s and second is the 40s. When they fused, okay, there's a loss of 20 Sedberg unit and the forming the